We have some puppy mush eaters. We start mush a little early on a litter this big, just to go easy on Mom. And they are loving it. Usually takes a few days before they're all really invested in eating the mush, which is just moistened, pureed puppy food. As you can see, they're starting to get around a little bit. So we'll be having play videos soon. And we'll be adding a potty area very soon. And then in a blink of an eye, they'll be eating crunchy kibble and going home. That's how fast things happen around here. This is Penny's Mediums, 3 weeks old today. Puppy Pick Day coming up on September 25th, and we do still have openings. We'd love to have you join in on the fun. Penny and Z's mini Goldendoodles. Let's make that medium Goldendoodles. They're a little large for minis. Have a great day, guys.